Alcohol has been an integral part of human culture for centuries, often enjoyed socially or to unwind after a long day. However, it's crucial to recognize that alongside its pleasant effects, alcohol consumption can lead to several major side effects that can significantly impact your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the top 6 major side effects of drinking alcohol, shedding light on the potential risks associated with its consumption. 1. Liver damage. One of the most well-known and potentially severe side effects of excessive alcohol consumption is liver damage. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body and metabolizing various substances, including alcohol. Heavy drinking can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, causing fatty liver disease. Continued excessive consumption can progress to more serious conditions such as alcoholic hepatitis and even cirrhosis, which is a severe and irreversible liver disease. These conditions hinder the liver's ability to function properly, affecting digestion, nutrient absorption, and detoxification, ultimately jeopardizing your overall health. 2. Impaired cognitive function. Alcohol's impact on cognitive function is well documented. Regular and excessive alcohol consumption can impair memory, concentration, and decision-making abilities. This impairment is a result of alcohol's effect on neurotransmitters in the brain. Over time, prolonged heavy drinking can increase the risk of developing neurological disorders like Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. This condition presents with symptoms such as confusion, amnesia, and even permanent brain damage, highlighting the far-reaching consequences of alcohol on brain health. 3. Addiction and dependence. Alcohol is a highly addictive substance, and prolonged use can lead to the development of tolerance, dependence, and addiction. Tolerance means that your body becomes accustomed to the effects of alcohol, requiring higher amounts to achieve the same impact. Dependence occurs when your body relies on alcohol to function normally, and attempting to quit can trigger withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety, nausea, and in severe cases, seizures. Alcohol addiction can have profound effects on various aspects of your life, including relationships, work, and overall quality of life. 4. Mental health issues. While alcohol may initially provide temporary relief from stress or anxiety, it can ultimately worsen mental health conditions. Alcohol is a depressant that disrupts the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, leading to heightened feelings of depression and anxiety. Individuals with pre-existing mental health conditions may turn to alcohol as a coping mechanism, inadvertently exacerbating their psychological well-being. This dangerous cycle underscores the need for caution and moderation when considering alcohol consumption. 5. Weakened immune system. Excessive alcohol consumption weakens the immune system, rendering you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Alcohol interferes with the body's ability to produce immune cells and antibodies, compromising its ability to ward off diseases. This weakened immunity can result in more frequent illnesses and extended recovery times, posing a significant risk to your overall health and wellness. 6. Increased risk of accidents and injuries. The impairment caused by alcohol extends beyond cognitive function and often leads to an increased risk of accidents and injuries. Alcohol diminishes coordination, judgment, and reaction times, significantly elevating the likelihood of accidents in various contexts. Alcohol-related accidents can occur while operating vehicles, machinery, or even during routine activities. The potential consequences of these accidents range from serious injuries to fatalities, underscoring the critical importance of responsible alcohol consumption. While moderate alcohol consumption may not necessarily result in these severe side effects, it's essential to be fully aware of the potential risks associated with heavy and prolonged drinking. A comprehensive understanding of the major side effects of alcohol consumption empowers you to make informed decisions about when, where, and how much you choose to drink. Prioritizing your health and well-being through responsible drinking habits is paramount, allowing you to enjoy the social and recreational aspects of alcohol while minimizing its detrimental impact on your physical, mental, and emotional health.